How to restore recently deleted Instagram story. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore recently deleted Instagram story on your Instagram account. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So guys, without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do, you have to go to your Play Store, and it's very pretty simple. Make sure to update your application so that you will get this recently deleted features. So after updating your Instagram, let me just get inside my official Instagram account. So now here what you need to do, let me just go to my profile section and go to this plus icon on the top right. Now let me just go to story section, and then here let me just and then let me just upload this story here.
Tier 1.
Okay, so here you can see it is uploading. So here you can see here I have successfully uploaded the story. You can see here this is the one. So now I will delete it right now. Click on more and click on delete option. Delete it. So it's deleted. So to get this story back on your Instagram, what you need to do, you have to click on this profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then after that click on this 3 days on the top right corner. After this, what you need to do, you have to click on the settings option on the bottom, and then here this type of interface will pop up. Click on this account option, and after clicking to this account option, you will find an option here, recently deleted option. So after updating, you will get this feature. Simply tap on recently deleted features. Now you can see your story is available here. You can see this is the one. So to restore this, what you need to do, you have to simply tap here, and then you have to click on this 3 days on the bottom, 3 days on the bottom, and then here you will find an option restore. So guys, what you need to do, simply tap on this restore option and then click on restore. Updating, you can see here. So it's done. So just go back, your story will be available here. So it's very pretty simple. And also